peeps, this is Meehnia and welcome to my channel MsMeehnia. I've done this plum halo eye look which the natural light has washed out a bit, but the technique is still there, so please keep on watching. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 to conceal my eyes. I'm applying it all over my lids and in the corners, and then just patting with my fingers. Now I'm using the color bar setting powder to set the concealer in place. And today we'll be working with the Sugar Eyeshadow Quad, which is Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this light pink shade for my crease area. I'm just buffing everything in windscreen wiper motion and then rolling around. Now I've taken a clean brush and blending everything. Now I'm taking this medium pink shade from the quad on a clean brush and I'm placing this below the previous color and then lower than that. And I'll be doing it in paths. Keep on building the color as much as you like. Now I've taken the same concealer, Fit Me concealer, on a flat fiber brush and I'm cutting the crease in a inverted C shape, if that makes any sense. I'm just filling the area. And now I'm setting the same concealer part with the translucent powder. Yes, another sugar product. Now we're using this highlight shade from the Contour de Force palette and I'm going to, lit the eye. I'm patting the highlight shade in the center and then I'm taking this dark plum shade on a pencil brush for the inner corner and the outer corners of my eyes. Inner corner as in first initial part of my eye. And then I'm just blending the color in so that there are no harsh lines. I'm taking this medium pink shade again and merging the golden and the dark plum shade together. So that there's a gradient. And just blend everything in. And now I'll use the Plum All Day Wear Kajal to tightline my upper lash line, like so. And I'll also run through it my roots. It gives a heavier look. And just smudge it with a brush. Now I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Orange to color correct under my eyes. I went a little overboard with that, but don't do that. Smudge it with your fingers and then just blend it with your blender. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25 to cover the orange of the character. I'm using it in an inverted triangle shape and then just blending everything in. Next I'm using NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo and I'm taking the concealer from this shade and applying it under my eyes just to highlight them so that they look even brighter. And now I'll set the concealer part with the loose powder. Now for my lower lash line I'm taking this pink shade and just running through my lower lash line like so. Now I'm taking this plum shade on a flat brush and I'm covering the outer edge of my eye and also my inner edge, leaving the middle part just like that for this highlighter shade. We'll be putting this highlighter shade in the middle part like so. And just lightline my lower lash line with the Kajal. And now I'm using the highlighter shade to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm using the Hyper Glossy Maybelline Liquid Liner to just cover up the golden highlight that we did so that it pops out even more. And dust off the excess powder, curl your lashes, apply some mascara. So I'm just coating some mascara on my upper lashes and also my lower lashes. And now we'll apply some falsies. You can do without it, but I just did. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, show love in any form that you can and you want. I'll see you later with more such videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.